Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make one of the best player warps, which are P warps. People can call it that. But people call them just PWs. And this is, for example, slash P warp SynXP. And also another fun thing is that we're actually finally back in RiverSMP because this thing got hacked. So yeah. The thing is we're finally back. And yeah, this is SynXP. You can go here by doing slash P warp SynXP, just like that. And this is a player warp. PW stands for play warp. I think I said it before. But you go here, and then that's about it. Like, it gives you, it gives the owner $5 for each join, and really, it's not mostly reward. It's just, it's kind of, the reason people make these is because it's kind of cool to have people join your warp, or play warp, more, actually said. I'm actually in the process of making one, and I decided to make a tutorial out of it. So I'm gonna go to do slash home. Oh, slash home. And this is, oh, okay. This is my little play warp. And many things that these play warps have high need of having is, an enchantment table right there. Like I already opened. Enchantment table, and I have this little pressure plate. Took out a chunk though. A little pressure plate that like you stand on it and it gives you some. It'll be kind of a nice thing to add because some people don't exactly carry lapis on them, which isn't surprising. But another fun thing that you can add is XP farms like this right here. Make sure you have lots of spawners. You can see right up there. It says X22 Blaze. This will be like a nice good amount. And now we're gonna actually talk about all the commands and stuff we need to get started. So this 4 diamonds, as you can probably guess, this is where the player will spawn in. So the way we can actually do this, I want to make this as quick as possible, is we just stand exactly where we want the player to be when they get in, and do slash P warp set, then we put the name. I want this to be K5XP. You do that, and then successfully set a player warp called K5XP. $500 has been given from your bank account. So actually, when you do this normally, slash P warp set, it tells you how to write it if you ever forget. Oh, okay, I need to press the actual chat button so I can move my mouse. So it says slash P warp set, and then it tells you how to do it. And how it says owner there, don't fill that in. I filled that in, and it just says you don't have permission or something. Just write the name you want it to be, not your name, obviously. Just the name of what you want your P warp to be, just like that. Mine, I did a K5XP. Like I did before, before the server got hacked. We lost everything. So we do slash P warp set, and then if you forget, that rhymed. It will tell you right there what you have to do, but really, it's not that hard to remember. You just have to do slash P warp set, and then the name of your P warp. Obviously, you have to put spaces, like slash P warp set, and then the name. Oh, the name here. Basically, all you need to type. Exactly like I put it to you. Well, not exactly, in the parentheses in the name, you obviously change it, but like, if you don't know that, like, I could imagine you don't even know how to open up the Minecraft launcher, but so you have to make sort of like a nice little pad there. Okay, so basically the way to make it, I already finished it off. Now I'm just trying to sort of show you cool ways to make it popular and, to make it look good. And you have to, and also, okay, I'm skipping parts of conversations. So what I'm saying is you'll have to get a sort of a theme. Like, I actually have someone that I work with. He is my cousin. If you've ever seen him, it is Error Plays YT 617. And I really need to go to the shop to eat. So anyways, Error Plays YT 617 made this little design here with spruce wood, and I decided to match it up with some bricks and just stuff. We weren't really planning on making this a P warp. I wanted to do this like a sky base, like I did with my last one. But I realized how good this looked. I made it, bigger. Like I extended the platform. I made this little enchantment area, and then I had this little mob farm with some zombie spawners that should be over there somewhere. And then another thing that you have to do, maybe if you're ever gonna make an XP farm, is do hoppers. So basically, if there's nobody on there, you get earnings at least, and you get well, not really nobody on there, because the only way for this to work is there's someone killing it. But for example, if the player that's killing it like gets full of space and inventory and it can't actually get the mob drops, it'll just go in here. Another useful thing for this is like maybe the player, you know, so you don't grab it, because sometimes the hoppers grab it slowly, sometimes they grab it like kind of fast, like instantly. It really depends, but I recommend doing hoppers since it even looks more professional, and also for this thing. So you have to make somewhere sort of secret, because you know other people can also open trap doors, even if they don't have /trust. Then I made this little place here. Then you can go to this chest and you get all those things that got picked up by those hoppers. This is just me trying to sort of make the zombie thing. It was very hard to do. Oh, that was a filter block. I was looking for it. So here with all these blaze rods, or whatever the farm you're using drops, you can get this neat thing called a cell wand. And it sells everything that you have. And a cool thing that I like doing is using an auto clicker and just AFKing here like all night, and like just go on forever and ever. And if it's something like an iron farm, this is gonna be very OP. And as you can see, just that amount of blaze rods sold for $6,390. So you can use this with an auto clicker, like I think I said. I really don't remember. And then you just right click every whatever. A nice one that you can find is in the Microsoft Store. It's for free. It's called GT Auto Clicker. I use that one personally. And really, all this stuff that I have here, you don't technically have to make this your own, but I really decided to add sort of like personal stuff so I can make this my base. But that's about it. I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. And yeah, that's it. But wait, one more thing. So if you do /pwarp, you get the actual menu. This is how I first figured out of pwarps, or just PWs. I'll just call it that, but maybe longer. I'll just call it player warps. You see all these Steve heads, and what these are sponsored slots. Well, they're sponsored slots, but okay, my grammar is like diminishing. It's sponsored player warps. So here you can go and sponsor your own. As you can see, everybody's claimed the ones that last for a long time, but the one that mostly is always open is one for 1 hour. It's only 10k. Oh, so then you have to put the name here, no found any slash, and then you just put the name, like K5XP. Okay, successfully purchased sponsor slot. So then you can go here. As you can see, that is me, K5XP. You can see owner K5 Gaming 5, location, visits, description. I don't know how to do that, and the teleport cost, and how much time it's gonna be there for. And I guess really that's it. Remember to do /pwarp send and the name, and then that's about it. Just remember to claim it too, and be careful which you trust with stuff. I've been griefed like a million times because of that. Lost a lot of iron golem slaughters. I mean, who really cares? The server got hacked, everything got deleted anyways, but I mean, just because that happened doesn't mean new things can happen. Did I even say that right? Well, what I'm saying is make sure you trust who you employ and who you do /trust with, and also remember to like actually claim things with a golden shovel, which will if you claim things with a golden shovel, you can make it private, make it only for you. You can only you can place these blocks basically. Then you can do /trust, and then you can put whatever name. Make sure to, if they have that little star, put the star, and then type it exactly how it is. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one, which will be kind of a long time. Like, I really don't post that much. That's not the best outro I could come up with, is it?